This tutorial will take us through the steps to build a montage of 3D data. We need to go to the Stack menu and make Montage. This allows us to set the number of columns and rows in our final image, the scaling factor, so do we want the image smaller, first and last slices to include in our data, and if we want to miss any images out, our border width, and our font size if we wanted to label any of the samples. So for this test sample we're going to go with a 3x3 final image, a scaling factor of 1 which makes it the same as the original size, and we're going to include every 5 images. This gives us a 3x3 array showing us representations of our 3D data. We can separate these 9 images out by adding a border width. Let's give a factor of 3, and that gives us a border around the individual images. We can then save this, save as, TIFF.